Now, there's a big concern over black fungus because cases are on the rise, and this is in patients who are suffering from coronavirus or have recovered from it. States are recording a big rise in cases. Maharashtra, in fact, has gone ahead and sent out an SOS to the centre. Rajasthan has declared black fungus as an epidemic. It's a rare but a serious fungal infection. Here are the details.
The second wave has brought with it an even more dangerous side to coronavirus. There's another infection that's on the prowl across the country, one that is even more deadly and spreading fast. Mucormycosis, or the black fungus infection, is rising dangerously among COVID patients. On Wednesday, the Maharashtra government confirmed 90 deaths due to the black fungus. It said there were at least 1,500 more cases in hospitals.
एम्फोटेरेसिन बी ये इंजेक्शंस पूरा परचेज करके महात्मा ज्योतिराव फुले जन आरोग्य योजना के हॉस्पिटल्स को दिया जाएगा और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स को भी दिया जाएगा। तो इसीलिए म्यूकरमाइकोसिस के मरीजों पे उनकी जेब से खर्चा न हो, यही व्यवस्था हमने प्रॉपरली की है।
In Delhi, more than 80 cases have been confirmed by hospitals so far.
Two parallels. One is COVID positive mucormycosis and COVID negative mucormycosis, and they are being accommodated. And I must tell you that every single day in the emergency, they are, it's like an average 20 and above, and they're multiplying.
In Lucknow, there were more than 50 cases in a single hospital. In Uttarakhand, over 40 cases. Rajasthan even has declared the black fungus an epidemic in the state. The Union Health Ministry is now on overdrive to spread awareness among the black fungus.
ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने देश के उन डॉक्टरों से जो कि इंटीरियर एरियाज में, रूरल एरियाज में और 2 टियर और 3 टियर टाउन्स में काम कर रहे हैं, बोथ कोविड और नॉन कोविड सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, उनसे भी इंटरेक्शन किया। उनसे रिक्वेस्ट भी की है कि म्यूकरमाइकोसिस, जो कि एक नई समस्या के रूप में उभर कर आ रहा है, उसके बारे में अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करें, पर्टिकुलरली 2 टियर एंड 3 टियर टाउन्स में भी।
Health experts have said that the fungus develops as a consequence of steroids that reduce immunity and increase blood sugar levels in critical coronavirus cases. It hits chronic diabetics the most. With Milan Sharma in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
There are some states where the situation is in fact escalating, where there are more cases being reported. One of those is the state of Maharashtra. And I'd like to bring in Pankaj Upadhyay, who's joining us live from Mumbai on that issue. Pankaj, good morning. It's worrying really seeing the number of black fungus cases, some of them very critical cases also being reported in Maharashtra. We understand that the state government has taken note of this and that they've reached out to the centre now for help.
Good morning, Akshita. So yesterday, India Today TV interacted with Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope, and he said that there are around 1,500 progressive cases of mucormycosis or black fungus in the state, and that 90 people have died because of this, and 850 are active patients. What's worrying is that the health minister said that the weekly increase in the cases could be to the count of 400 or 500. At the same time, he's also pointed out that as far as the antifungal drug, that is amphotericin B, is concerned, there is a grave shortage. He points out that the state immediately needs around 1.5 lakh doses, and that orders and demand was placed for around 2 lakh doses. But then the state has received only 15,000, and that too have been distributed now. So there is a huge shortage of the drug in the market in the state as well. And today, as the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi, will be interacting with Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and also the district collectors of 17 districts, the Health Minister has pointed out the Chief Minister is going to bring up this issue with the Prime Minister because this is of a grave concerns. When the state Health Minister says that 400 to 500 weekly cases could be on the rise and there is a shortage of the drug, this is getting very serious now. And the Chief Minister is going to appeal to the Prime Minister. State Health Minister has said they have already put in their demand, but it is up to the centre of to hurry up the allocation of the drug.
Absolutely. Need of the hour, no doubt, is to ramp up infrastructure, ramp up availability of the drug to ensure that we're fully prepared for the rise in